Hello, in front of me I've got Infinix Hot 20. In this video I'll show you all unlock methods. In the beginning, let's go to settings, enter security, go to screen lock, and as you can see right here we've got 5 types of screen locks: non-swipe pattern, PIN and password. Firstly, let's select none, and we are going to use each one of the unlock methods to unlock the phone. Now let's select swipe. Next, let's select PIN. Tap done, and now let's unlock the phone. Now let's proceed to password. And in the end, let's select pattern. Once it's done, we can go to biometrics as fingerprint and face unlock. Firstly, let's select fingerprint, and now simply scan your fingerprint on the fingerprint sensor located on the power button. Tap the power button multiple times, but don't push it, and each time try to adjust the fingerprint position. Tap finish, and now use your fingerprint to unlock the phone. In the end, let's select face unlock, confirm with your current pattern, enroll face, read the terms and conditions, tap next, and now scan your face in this area. Now my face is scanned, I can use it to unlock the phone. Unfortunately, because of the lighting in this room, this function is not working properly, but basically you have to simply place your face in front of the front camera while unlocking. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.